Bring the assembly machine to operational readiness. To do this, please refer to the corresponding operating instructions. The corresponding pressure plate is pushed on and fixed with a locking pin. The clamping jaw is inserted into the tapered mounting of the yoke plate. After this, the holder is closed. Make certain that the safety plate was inserted into the guide in order to avoid withdrawing the clamping jaw. Lubricate the Zako ring in the tooth area and at the cylindrical shoulder and center it on the pressure plate. Guide the Zako flange plate over the end of the tube. Now move the tubing through the opening of the clamp jaw until it centers through the bevel on the Zako ring and hold the tube, pressing it against the mounting. Before beginning assembly, press back the clamping jaw against the angled surface of the yoke plate. At the beginning of assembly, the tube must not slip through. Now close the bleed valve and pump the assembly piston using the hand lever. The Zako ring is now driven into the tube until a distance of up to 1 mm is achieved between shoulder and the end of the tube. During the assembly procedure, the tube is clamped into the clamp jaws and held axially. The pressure indication on the manometer is of no importance with Zako ring assembly and can be ignored. Now open the hydraulic circuit again so that the operating piston can run back. Remember, when opening the hydraulic valve, make certain that the hand lever is tightly held. Remove the pre-assembled tube. It is imperative that after each pre-assembly, a visual inspection be made to check for correct assembly results. In doing this, it must be ensured that the Zako ring was pressed into the tube at right angles. The gap of up to 1 mm caused by material resilience does not have any influence on operation. Remove any possible contamination before final assembly. The O-ring must not have any form of damage. The tube assembled with the Zako ring can now be finally assembled.